Well, hey guys, let's get right into this week's video. This week, I'm going to show you how to make this beauty. It's not about the lettuce, it's not about the tomatoes, it's not even about those delicious caramelized onion. This is all about the beef, Wagyu beef. And I'm not going to hold you. Let's get to this countdown so I can show you how to make this burger. Hey guys, welcome back to Adrianne Thinks. It's me, Adrianne. Today I'm making burgers. Now this quick and easy recipe for these burgers, so delicious, so easy. And I'm actually using Wagyu ground beef. This is the brand I got from Costco. Sorry, out of the package looks kind of rough. But I'm using 3 pounds of ground Wagyu beef. Now, if you know anything about Wagyu, you know that's grade A top ground beef. So I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to point you down so we can get started on this quick and easy recipe for my burgers, Wagyu burgers. Get it right now. I'm about to point you down. All right, guys, so here I have 3 pounds of our Wagyu ground beef. Again, I got this brand from Costco, and we're just going to season them up, and then I'll get the mixing. And this is going to go really fast. So I'm using a little sea salt, and again, go according to your taste. You know, we want to make sure they have some flavor though. You already know. You know she wasn't going to miss this. Sorry guys, it's that time of year and people are in their pools and the kids are running. So if you hear anything in the background, that is my neighbors. I'm going to use a little dehydrated minced onion. All according to taste. A little, this is the Kingsford. This is actually from Badia, but this is an original all-purpose seasoning. It's really good. I'm going to use some of that. Going to go in with a little granulated beef bouillon. That's just going to really enhance that beef flavor. We want to add a little kick. So this is Mrs. Dash, but this is the Southwest Chipotle seasoning. A little black pepper. This is just ground black pepper. All right, so that's our seasoning for our burgers. I'm going to mix them up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to put just a little bit of our extra virgin olive oil down. Have my griddle. I'm going to put that on about 325 degrees. And that's about all we need for that. I have a 2/3 cup measure here, and what I like to do is just almost fill it up, and I just like to push it in. And if I didn't say, you don't want to, mix the meat too much. You want to avoid doing that because that'll make your meat tough. And if you're going to use this Wagyu, you don't want to have spent all that money and then, you have a tough burger. So just kind of pack it in your measuring cup. Take the back of your measuring cup and just press it out. Now I have these on like 325, and we're just going to fill up our grill and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have all our burgers on now. And I just want to take a peek-see at our first one. And that looks perfect. A little char on there. Have a little more for my liking. So let's check this one out. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm going to let them get a little more char. I love that. That's flavor. When you get that little char on the top of your burger, it's so good. And you can make these as big or as small. If you're making sliders, this would be amazing. But these are great for the burgers we're having today. This is my cook-in. We're not cooking out today. We're cooking in. Right on this here griddle. So good. And we don't want to cook them till they lose all their juiciness. So you don't want to poke them or press them, because the juice will come out. You know, see all that liquid without even pressing. And you just want to turn them. Yeah. I'm just adding some cheese to it. This is just American cheese. These look so good. I'm going to load these up on the plate. Yummy. Alright guys, so I turned our griddle up to about 375, 380. And just allowing our, you see I achieved some color from adding the seasoning, plus whatever flavor it picked up from our griddle. So these are looking good. Alright guys, I'm going to get a little bowl and put our delicious onions in. I'm going to let them go for just a few minutes longer. But when I come back, you already know. The taste. Alright guys, our burger is done. Let me give you a complete tour of this burger. Got some dressing on it, just dripping all over that thing. And I have Dylan in the background. Hey Dylan.
Hi.
Dylan is going to taste this monster burger. All right guys, let us know what you think.
Oh, here we go. Oh man, where do I start?
I'm like biting with them. Oh.
Ooh. It's really good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Can you taste the difference in the meat?
Expensive.
It tastes good?
Yeah.
Do you really taste the difference?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I can't get him to stop eating. So it must be good. Let me see the inside. It's perfectly cooked.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. It looks good. As you can see, he's demolishing it. Guys, if you're not a subscriber, what you waiting on, child? Head on and hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Tell your family, your friends, your aunties, your uncle and them. Tell them what I'm doing in this kitchen, y'all, and what Adrianne thinks. Until next time, Wagyu Burgers out. Say bye, Dill.
Bye.
Cue music.